Hello singers, my name is Mirosław Grabski, I'm a professional singer and a vocal coach. Today we will talk about one of the most beautiful old Italian arias, Caro Mio Ben. Let's get started. So, Caro Mio Ben was the first solo Italian piece I started my adventure with classical singing. It may seem to be very easy, but in fact, it isn't. I remember I was struggling with it, and I was not very successful at the beginning when I wanted to sing it. My voice broke at the top note, and I was very disappointed. Of course, it was about 30 years ago, so things have changed a little bit, and I believe I improved my singing technique during that time, and I hope that now it sounds a little bit better. So let's talk about that beautiful piece. It was written in about 1783, probably by Tommaso Giordani or his brother Giuseppe Tommaso Giovanni Giordani or their father Giuseppe Giordani Sr. They were all born in Naples and they were all famous Italian composers of their time. But what is this piece about? Of course, similar to most songs in more popular music history, it's about love. Dear my beloved, believe me at least, without you languishes my heart. Your faithful one sighs always. Cease, cruel one, so much severity. So poetic idea is like it is written here in that wonderful book edited by John Glenn Payton of 26 Italian Songs and Arias. Dear, I love you so much that when you stay away, I feel ill. Please be kind to me. How to pronounce it? If you want to pronounce it perfectly, it is always good to consult a native speaker, but here I will try to do my best to help you. Caro mio ben, credimi almen, senza di te languisce il cor. Caro mio ben, senza di te languisce il cor. Il tuo fedel sospira ognor, cesa crudel, tanto rigor. Cesa crudel, tanto rigor. There's also another edition of Old Italian Songs and Arias. It is edited by Schirmer's Library of Musical Classics, and here we can also find Caro Mio Ben. So let's say the text in the rhythm. Caro mio ben, credimi almen, senza di te languisce il cor. Caro mio ben, senza di te languisce il cor. Il tuo fedel sospira ognor. Cesa crudel tanto rigor. Cesa crudel tanto rigor. tanto rigor. Caro mio ben, credimi almen, senza di te languisce il cor. Caro mio ben, credimi almen, senza di te languisce il cor. Alright, now you know how to pronounce it, you know the rhythm, and now let's talk about how you can sing it. We begin singing it with a high note, so you have to be prepared for it. Prepare your relaxed jaw, lift your soft palate, take a breath, and think of it like you would like to produce and project your ready beautiful sound. Imagine that sound earlier, okay? Don't put too much effort into the letter K. Ka. It must be connected with the vowel A, Caro. Ka, ka. So you have to imagine first the sound you have to produce. At the beginning, you can practice it only with vowels, and that will sound more or less like that. Alright, and then we add consonants, and then it sounds like it should sound. Remember that consonants should not interfere with your legato and smooth sound. Caro mio ben, credimi almen. So remember about that beautiful, smooth legato line always. If you have a problem of finding that first sound, you can begin with a little bit of glissando. Find the sound A, Alright, so when you find that sound, it should be okay, but sing without glissando at the concert, of course. Remember, you are in the process of singing before singing. Keep smooth breathing and legato throughout the whole song. Let's go on. Il tuo fedele is another thought. Chiesa crudel contains the highest note, and that is the main point of the song. You can even make a little squat on it to support your breathing more, alright? So it will sound like this. Il tuo fedele sospira ognore cessa crudel. But remember that your soft palate must be extremely lifted at that point. And after that, we go back to the first sounds with some dynamics changes. Use sottovoce, keep smooth legato, and don't forget about breathing. Add some emotions and some individual musicality to it. So let's sing that beautiful song now. Caro mio ben, senza di te languisce il cor. Il tuo fedele sospiro onor, cessa crudel tanto rigor, cessa crudel tanto rigor, tanto rigor. Caro mio ben, credimi almen, senza di te languisce il cor. Caro mio ben, credimi almen, senza di te languisce il cor. So, thank you so much, and I hope you liked it. And if you are interested in classical singing, check my other videos, subscribe to my channel, check all my links below. And if you want to have some other tutorials on classical singing, let me know in the comment section below. So I wish you all the best, sing well, sing nice, see you soon, bye bye.